If your parrot bites you, it's not aggression. And if you keep thinking it is, you're actually making it worse. Because that bite, it's not random. It's your parrot trying to tell you something. And most owners completely miss it. Parrots don't bite for no reason. They don't just wake up and decide to attack you. Every single bite has meaning. In the wild, parrots don't use words like we do. They communicate through body language, through sounds, and when necessary, their beak. So when your parrot bites you, it's not being mean, it's communicating. Here's the part most people don't realize. The bite is almost never the first signal. It's the last one. Before that bite ever happens, your parrot already tried to warn you. Maybe it moved away. Maybe it stiffened up. Maybe it gave you that look. And you ignored it. And when those signals don't work, that's when the bite happens. Now let's talk about why your parrot actually bites you. The first reason is fear. If your parrot feels unsafe, threatened, or unsure, it will bite to protect itself. Not because it hates you, but because it's scared. The second reason is boundaries. Sometimes your parrot just doesn't want to be touched. And when you ignore that, it uses the only tool it has to say stop. The third reason is frustration. If your parrot is trying to communicate something and you don't understand, that frustration builds up and turns into a bite. If you have a parrot, you've probably experienced this without even realizing it. And this is exactly why so many owners struggle to build trust. Now here's something even more important. The fourth reason is overstimulation. Too much handling, too much noise, too much pressure. At some point, your parrot just can't take it anymore, so it reacts. Here's what you need to understand. To your parrot, that bite wasn't aggression. It was a last resort. A final attempt to be heard. So if you want your parrot to stop biting, you don't fix the bite. You fix the communication. Start paying attention to its body language. Give it space when it needs it. And most importantly, build trust slowly. Because when your parrot feels understood, it doesn't need to bite anymore. And remember, that bite you keep getting, it was never random. It was a message. And your parrot has been trying to tell you something this whole time. If you want to actually understand your parrot and stop guessing what its behavior means, subscribe to Parrot Decoded. Because once you start listening the right way, everything changes.